Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Yes, me there here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. This video that I'm presenting to you is about a situation where it is said that females have been wrongfully accused of shoplifting. The whole incident happened somewhere within the United States of America. I do not know when. Viewers and subscribers, take a look, listen to this video and tell me what you think about this video or the incident. Observe.
What happened? He gonna stop us. He gonna stop us outside and say somebody called on us that we were suspicious. So I came back in with my receipt and everything on it that I bought my shit. Why would I steal from TJ Maxx?
What is TJ Maxx? Not a goddamn thing.
And then he gets in here and said nobody called on you guys.
So he just said outside. You said, why did you stop me? You said because I'm black. He said a black person called on you. That's what you said.
Who was the black person that called on us? Where the black? Where's she at? Where's he at? I don't see nobody. We just stood in the line. And the other manager is right there. That's at that thing. Her name is Doris. You understand why I'm frustrated.
I understand.
Because I walked out of a store after paying my money. I worked hard for it.
Listen,
and you stopped me.
I got told that there was someone possibly
shoplifting. You said that we paid for this.
That's why I'm here, okay? If there's no problem, then there's no problem.
No, but do you understand how embarrassing this is? We sat in this line, and matter of fact, you know what? We turn it off. We don't want shit.
Yeah,
we turn it off.
Can you make sure everything in here is on that?
Can you make sure? She just made sure. She just said that.
Have more bags in the car.
What?
Right?
Go get it.
Different store.
Go get it. Go get it.
Y'all don't have to explain all that. Y'all calm down. Y'all got to record it. Y'all got to explain, and y'all don't got to go and get no other bags.
More items?
If nobody ain't tell y'all from the other store, y'all don't have to pull them.
He trying to make her say that we took something.
What's here? Okay, can you get the other bags out of the car?
What?
Because she said that what is here is only what's on those receipts.
That's what it's supposed to be. What's there is only on the receipt.
This is another bag. We got with a different receipt. This is a different bag.
They just have to check it.
But they done checked it. She told you that we paid for it.
Are you the one who called on us, ma'am?
No,
he said a black employee called on us.
A male.
A male?
Yeah.
Where? I'm just asking. I'm just asking. Where they sing on the side.
Yo, this crazy, yo. This is crazy. It's going on Facebook too. Yeah. Where did it go? Where the black person that called on us?
I don't work here, but he does work here.
So where he at?
Exactly.
The lady just said we paid for everything, and you trying to make us go to the car to get a bag to say we didn't pay. Come on, bruh. Come on. Yeah, I shop all the time, brother. I got that. Okay, so no, they're not TJ Maxx bags. Those are the receipts right there, and those are the merchandise.
She told me there was more bags in the vehicle, right?
Who is she? Who told you that?
Your friend here.
That's not my friend. That's my daughter. And she did tell you there's more bags in the vehicle. Because guess what? Because guess what? Because guess what?
If we have other store bags in there, but I'm going to check.
Then what you going to check for? Let her check on this receipt. Let her check.
If there's other TJ Maxx bags.
Man,
lady, shut up.
Credit card, you're returning.
Give my credit card to me.
Oh, I got it right here.
Bags in the car.
Is that what's on the receipt? Is that what's on the receipt? That's what's in question, right?
Listen,
is that what's on the receipt? Is that what she got off the receipt?
There's no reason to yell at me.
No, it's no need for you to try to tell me that I got something that I didn't take.
You have 3 receipts or 2?
And I'm recording too.
The only reason, ma'am, the only reason I'm here is because I was asked to be here. I wasn't sitting here waiting for you.
Bruh, I don't want to hear that. Because you still telling me she got the receipts.
Yeah. So the only reason I'm here is because one of their managers.
But let me ask you this question: when you were at the car and you told us to bring the bags back inside, right?
Yeah, there's more bags in your car.
I went to different stores. Well, I ain't got to explain that to you. I ain't got to explain that to you.
You go to other TJ Maxx?
Yeah, I ain't got to explain that to you, bro. She got the receipt and she got every merchandise with a receipt. I'm not answering nothing else to you because you done pissed me off. Because you're trying to imply something.
I told you exactly why I'm here. Okay.
Look, you saying you being calm to her, but you're not being calm when you accuse them of.
Are you with them?
Yeah, we are. We together. We always together.
You understand, right? I get told someone is possibly going to be shoplifting in my store, it's my job to go there. Right?
But you saying you're being calm. When I'm accused,
I get that. I get that.
Go get it, man. And now we got 3 receipts.
Thank you so much.
You got my key?
Okay, that was in cash, ma'am. That was in cash.
Yeah, no worries.
Run me my cash.
Okay.
Run me my cash.
You have 2 pennies, so I can give you 36.
They got the nerve to follow my child out the store.
Here you go.
Like we got time to shoplift. Return all that shit. We don't want nothing from here.
My people.
Okay, 36.
And he looking all in the car like you ain't buy the shit.
You just print your
Like, what's your problem?
You see me not deal bad vibes. No, I don't like bad vibes.
Well, where the motherfucker that called?
Fucking Gomer Powell.
Respect.
Everybody standing here.
The law, I respect police officers, you see.
Return.
But if I find myself in a situation like that,
Come on with me with that bag.
I'd probably return the items them too.
Ma'am, you don't have to apologize.
Maybe,
you
you
don't
know,
have to
because
apologize.
what I'm trying
when we look at those items, I might feel away every time. See, I'm gonna do so respectfully.
Well,
I
where
don't
he
know
if I'm
at?
allowed to do
I
so.
don't know where he is.
Due to store policies and so forth. You see me I say?
Yeah, that's what
You
Yeah,
literally
man.
sat up, stand there, and buy all that stuff
But I
on the
return them.
camera.
I want my money back.
That's all you gotta do. Roll that camera.
Everything on
Y'all
camera.
doing too much explaining.
Understand.
Them days over with. We don't have to explain that no more. Mom, you're doing too much explaining.
Yeah.
They got to see. We return it. We get on. Them days over with. We don't have to explain if we paid for
I
it. Let's keep
appreciate
it
you
moving.
being calm. Thank you.
It don't make no
I
sense.
appreciate you being calm. How would you feel? How else would you feel? You sat up here and bought all this stuff. My hard-earned money. You gonna come and ask me did I steal it? Come on, bruh.
$19.99, but it's always up. All these other people that walked out here.
Can you tell me where your black manager at that called? The mayor?
Now don't nobody know nothing.
He works here. Believe me.
We can't believe nothing. We want to see. We want him to come out and claim his.
Go ask her.
Go ahead, who?
We just did.
We just asked her.
What did she say?
She said she don't know who we talking about.
No, ma'am, these are the 3 receipts. No, my guy ran this up. I paid $85. All this stuff is booked. Excuse me.
Let her go over everything because there's a lot of
I'm
stuff
just
here.
saying, this is apartment 90. It's not anywhere there.
So what about the $85 receipt?
No, I'm not accusing you ladies of anything.
Oh, you need it back?
I'm
What's
saying
the last one number?
Look on my credit card. I spent my credit card.
It's right here. Women, $19.99. That's the only thing.
beauty, hon. Beauty.
Ask Michael. Ask him.
Okay, I'm
Because he rung it up. He paid $100 up in
If
here.
you don't understand,
guys, please.
hey, look, if you don't understand, pull Mike and see that he ring that up.
Yeah, that don't make no
It's that easy.
It's that easy.
And if he missed it, that's on him. If he said he didn't write it up,
And Michael in trouble.
you don't have to keep on saying that. Just pull Michael, baby. Y'all making a big deal out of nothing.
You rung it up, Michael. There you go.
No, this is not the receipt.
This is it right here.
This is on this.
But it was in a bag. $19.99. So how it get in a bag?
Who put it in there?
This is not on the receipt.
You know what those ways?
So Michael, did you ring it up?
No, I didn't ring it up. No.
Play the camera back.
So how we get the bag?
How we get the
How we get the bag, Michael?
You look at the video and see if it was
That's
present.
right.
It was placed on the counter.
Placed on the counter.
It's fine. So if they look at the video,
Like, all this shit because of this dude.
Michael, so if you come on, Michael, come on now. You forgot. So he bought a cops?
I didn't. No, I didn't say this.
That's embarrassing.
This don't make no sense.
Ladies,
This is refund all this. I want my money back.
I get it.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not accusing you ladies of anything. Please.
Okay, ma'am, just return this. Yeah. I want my money back.
This ain't right, yo. We bought all this crap. Spent almost $300 in here.
why are there so many receipts?
Because there's so many of us.
No, y'all better not explain that.
So it was 3 different
Y'all
ways.
better not explain that.
It was wait a second. If there
Y'all
was
better
3
not explain
transactions,
that.
why is there 5 receipts?
Y'all better not
She
explain
just
that.
returned
Y'all
it.
better not explain
Be
that.
quiet. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't say
If she
nothing.
return y'all money, that's
Yeah,
all that
don't
matters.
say nothing.
Y'all
Don't
better
say
not explain that.
Is that a return receipt? Yeah. No. Did you give them a return receipt?
Yes, first,
Okay, thank you.
You want it so bad.
Y'all better not explain. Y'all
He
got
want it so bad.
Why did y'all got 5 items?
I tell you, boy. I tell you, he want it so bad.
Why do they have that many receipts? They'll do it.
Come on, bruh.
We got 20 receipts.
Come on.
Think about it like this, right? Think about it. No, I'm going to play it out for you. I'm there with my 2 kids, okay? All 3 of us make purchases. So, if we go to the register and everyone pays by themselves, there should be 3 receipts, correct?
No.
Yeah.
How about I want to use different credit cards on different
It's
items?
still going to be on the same receipt.
No, it won't.
No.
Because they
You
let
want
you
me to
know.
prove it to you? Want me to prove it to you?
I'm not here to
I'm by myself and I got 2
trying to
receipts.
explain this to you, right? I'm trying to explain this to you.
No, you
So if I
just
see
said
somebody-
something that's wrong. You say you're trying to explain something. You're dead wrong what you just said.
If I see someone come out with 5 receipts,
I don't care if I have 20 receipts. If I want to use cash and I want to use a different credit card.
You could be going to buy something for other people.
You're saying there's no reason, but you just said something that's wrong.
Right? You've been the most calm person.
No, yeah, until you just did what you did and asked about the receipts. We don't do that. We millionaire. We don't do that now. I can use a million American Express if I choose to. I can use the black one. I can use the platinum. I can use the gold one, and I'm by myself. If I want to use ring everything up different.
It's mine.
So don't make that statement. That's where you went
I already
wrong
told
there.
you.
That's where you went
So
wrong.
I just want the
No, but what you just said was wrong.
I'm here.
I understand
I
all that other
determined.
part.
Look, we talked to the manager.
All
here.
that was cool. That's why I calmed him down. The part you just did was
Good,
wrong.
I appreciate that.
The part you just did was wrong about
We're
the
here to
receipts.
confirm. Just that you guys.
But what you did about the receipts was wrong, though.
I just love the check.
No, that's not what you
This
just
place
did.
gets tipped.
Now you're accusing them because you said why
Now we the shoplifters, Lord.
The whole reason that we're here.
I ain't never
is
seen nothing like this in all my life. Y'all, we in Gillette at the TJ Maxx.
But
No, what I'm saying. No,
Don't come up here.
accuse that. You need to bring that person out and say that they actually saw them doing
you
that.
understand, like,
He on lunch. He on lunch. That's why he ain't coming. He
listen.
on lunch.
No.
He on
Check
lunch.
this out.
Oh,
Or if you know that they stole something, press charges
I don't want to press charges on anybody.
because there's no charge to be
The
pressed.
reason I'm here is to validate that you guys made a legitimate purchase, and then you're on your way. That's it.
If that's the case,
The only reason that I'm here.
Whoever-
Sign the charges,
That-
not us.
Where he at?
It was-
so where he
Where
at?
is he
Where
at?
is he at?
If
They
they
just
waste y'all
told you.
time,
They just
No,
told you
no,
it's on lunch,
question.
right?
How did
No,
how
we
did
can
y'all
bring
work?
him out
Wait,
here.
wait.
I don't work
Let me ask you a
here.
question. Do y'all get paid by
But
tax
he
dollars?
gonna stop us because we shoplifting.
By
He ain't
tax
see us
dollars?
shoplift, did he? We got 3 receipts to prove that we paid for this stuff. This don't make no sense.
They don't waste time. They
Sometimes
waste y'all
Somebody
time
call you
by calling y'all
555,
out here,
freak it out.
and he's not out here to say that they actually stole something. So
a
they're
lot of
wasting,
times
they're
when we
wasting
get
our
calls-
money. They're wasting our tax dollars.
A lot of
No,
calls that we get.
Bob.
No, a lot of calls that we get. We go there and we validate and nothing happens. So that's what's happening today. That's why I'm here. Okay. That's the
Okay,
only
I own stores. If I accuse somebody of stealing something, I'm gonna be there to say yes. I accuse.
and the
them.
police-
I'm the one who called. I don't
Yeah.
want them in my store no
And the
more.
police will go there, right? Well, that's why I'm here.
But I'm gonna be there to make sure that I don't want called you.
No, it happened to us.
I'm the one
It
that
happened
called
to
you.
anybody.
That's the only black brother that work here.
You're the
That's
black
manager.
brother that they accused.
We did not accuse her.
He just said the only black man.
A black brother called.
Nobody. No.
They try to accuse us of shoplifting.
Video for another shop.
Yes, Dad. Yes.
While I was here,
They
I
called
was
4
advised
cops
by
up
the
here.
manager.
They try to accuse
that there's
us.
possible
This black
shoplifting.
guy.
You're the manager?
That's why I went.
He said a black man. So now you're lying on him. Now you're lying on him. Now y'all lying.
Come on, y'all. Don't lie.
Black male manager right here. He said he didn't call nobody.
It's him. So
Okay.
Don't we all right?
We said it's too
You
much.
ain't got to bring the round round. We good. We good. We got our money back.
We're getting everybody's names and
He's
stuff.
the one who
when we're
told me.
It
having-
ain't the fact that
Write
we're
a
getting a
complaint
return.
on
This
these
is
people.
embarrassing.
It's very embarrassing.
This is embarrassing.
he told me.
Yeah, we're not.
That's why I'm here.
And he's back there rolling his eyes because he notices
He
bullshit.
didn't call me.
You just said he told you.
He did
Y'all
not
got
call
y'all
me.
money back.
When I was in
we
the
got our
store.
money
Y'all
back.
know what to do. TJ Maxx, we don't get some.
I just want people's names because when
Oh, sure.
when I
Detective Roberts, number 54.
No,
okay,
people.
Lost the place, 6-4.
Six stores. These two other guys.
He's a supervisor. You can talk to him.
Okay.
No, I'm
we gotta
leaving.
leave.
No.
You aren't the guy that
Don't
called
come here.
because we need people's names when we write to TJ Maxx.
I can't call the cops. I'm not allowed to call the cops.
He didn't call the cops. He just told me outside.
Explain what happened here.
They have a policy. They can't go to someone's house.
They are so. Yeah,
That's why I was here outside. This is sad though.
This is sad.
Wait, this is why you was here? But I saw you outside about 30 minutes ago. Just chilling.
I was outside for about an hour. Yeah.
No. We're leaving.
Well, how they accused them of shoplifting because when I walked in,
Who where the lady at? Oh, we got something. She
Did
gone.
you guys get your
We got our
money back and
Let's
everything.
talk outside. Yeah, so that we don't affect the store.
yeah, because I want you to repeat that, and I want you to record this too.
You can record anything that I
Yeah,
say.
because that didn't make any sense. Hey, come on. He didn't call. So come on, y'all. Come on. He didn't call.
Linwood said he didn't call. Y'all don't shop at the store. I'm telling you. Especially if you got brown skin.
They white. We black.
Yeah, it's a difference. It's always a
Let me
difference.
explain this to you.
Y'all look at all the cars that came for us. Now, y'all know who I am.
This baby was for this.
We can walk to your car too. You don't actually shoplift until you leave the store without paying for the merchandise.
Well, why would they call and say they're shopping? Did they see them put something in the bag? How can they accuse
You
them of
understand? You
shoplifting?
understand? Wait one second. If I get called somewhere, or I
Don't
get
go in
asked
there.
to be
What you
somewhere,
got called for though? For shoplifting, right?
We black. We suspicious.
We
black.
Don't
Don't
do
do
it.
it.
Car.
No, ma'am. They're gonna say you shoplifted.
No. What I want to ask you, that means that they saw them putting something in their bag, right?
At the counter.
No.
I don't-
He been out here
Listen,
for an
when
hour.
someone-
He
when
said
someone
he was
calls-
called for that. So that means they saw y'all while y'all was shopping, put
Listen.
something in their bag, right?
Listen, I know you're trying
because
to
you
narrate this
said
for your video.
no. Because
No,
you
that's
said-
no. You narrated it. You called. You took.
This is what you said.
Listen.
We
If
didn't stop
somebody-
you,
if
sir.
somebody tells
We're not
us-
doing nothing on camera. I don't
There's
even like
suspicious
cameras.
behavior.
I just don't like these activities that's
If
going
somebody
on.
tells me there's suspicious behavior, I have to respond.
Okay.
Now I couldn't go in the store because if I went in the store, anyone that was going to commit a crime will not commit a crime. But you understand that?
But if they call you about suspicion, that means they done put something in their bag, right? They done put
You
something in
have
their
to question
bag.
the
So when
person
you
that
go in there,
told
you see them putting that
You
in their
understand
bag,
that?
you can stop them, right?
You understand? If I get,
You're
if
not
I get
answering
called
my
something
question.
now,
You're not answering
because
my
it doesn't
question.
make sense.
Y'all see this, right? You're not answering my question.
No, but
It's
the
making
thing
plenty
is,
of sense.
y'all see us leaving because you know we ain't steal shit.
We're done here because we determined that
Well,
you
okay,
guys
well,
paid for
Supervisor, I
everything.
want to ask you a question then. Well, he just said that a black male called him. He said
He told me a black male called.
He said that when I pulled up now, he was like over there in the benches sitting down. So if somebody called him, that means they seen these people putting stuff in their bag or stuffing it under their shirt or whatever the case may be. So
I don't know what they saw.
No. That's what
the man inside notified him.
what man?
The
'Cause
man
he said he
just said he
did.
did notify him.
I don't know.
It's only one black man.
The man you were talking
outside.
to.
I
Get
don't know.
your stories.
The man,
It's
he said he can't call. He said it's
He
illegal
cannot
for
call,
him to
but he
call.
did
No,
not
y'all
call.
cops.
I was here and he talked to me in person.
He talked to you in person.
I'm gone. Y'all got what y'all need.
Go back to the video.
You got you on camera
And-
saying the
and-
black dude called you.
You'll see.
Man, I ain't got time for this. But I bet you one thing. I bet you Gillette ain't got no black people going to jail today from TJ Maxx that got my last name on it. Because what they tried to do was, this is TJ Maxx, y'all, Gillette. What they tried to do was say that we tried to steal something. And everybody already know who I am. So I'm stealing? Okay. Okay. Here we go. Racial profiling. This is what this is. And we returned every fucking thing. They'll never see me
right
again.
here to prove it. We spent over $300 in this place.
$300.
Why would we steal?
We spent $300.
Manager male.
But the man just said he didn't say that.
Don't even worry about it.
So that's what made me just stay there and just listen to it.
Call your father back because he's probably losing his. He's losing
Now
it.
when we get outside, I can go on and on. When we get outside, he said nobody called him. He said that. Yeah, but that's not what he said in there.
That's
He said
right.
a black male manager called
one
him.
black
She
male
can
in there.
She can rewind it.
It's only one black man.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter, man. See, that's the problem. Y'all think y'all can say what you want, lie, and do whatever. Change stories, and everything is all good. Nah. Nah.
Like, come on now.
What you call you? Peter.
That's his name, Peter?
He looks like a Peter. His first name starts with a K.
I said Peter. That's what it is. Well, he's Peter because we're the shopkeepers. Anyway, Dad, we're getting ready to go.
He recorded the whole thing. We recorded the whole thing. And I'm going to write a letter. And I'm going to send something to the police department. We recorded the whole thing. We got everything, Ty.
Yeah, Robert 54, I think, and places. I forgot his number.
I told you, bruh.
Got called fucking more police.
Bruh, I can tell you this.
I'm gonna leave on that. I'm gonna let y'all have that, but that's bad. I'm gonna make sure I send a complaint about that. I wasn't even in this situation, but I didn't like what happened. But that is bad.
This is a black man. He was saw
He was nice enough to even stand up for us. That's what a black man do for you.
No, I am. Don't worry about that. I am. Yeah, I will later.
Okay. Myself or one of the detectives.
That's some bullshit right there. Liars. That's what they are. That's what they always been, is liars.
Viewers and subscribers, that African descendant man really defended those females, you know. Yeah, he really defended those females. At first, you know, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the police said that an African descendant person called him by phone. And then the police officer said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that someone told him about possibly shoplifting or shoplifting face to face. So which one you think happened, viewers and subscribers? Which one you think happened? Do you think someone actually called him on a phone, or do you think that someone actually tell him face to face that someone was shoplifting or so forth? See? Tell me what you think. Kinda real. The whole thing doesn't sound too straight to me. See? Now, many comments have been made about the video on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that those females had been racially profiled. See? And you know, other comments have been made about the video on social media. And are real still, viewers and subscribers? You see, because of things that happened in the past, it caused a stigma on a situation like this. See me? Whenever an African descendant person had been accused of shoplifting or stealing something, and once it involves someone who is not an African descendant, it sometimes can be labeled as racially profiled or so forth. You see me? I say, alright, so me understand. You see me? Me understand. You know, really and truly, it just look away. You know, it look away if you know so that you go buy whatever you buy and you work for your money honestly and you're spending your money honestly, and then you're being accused of stealing. See? And if you look and listen to some of the things that have been said in the video, it seems as if the whole thing was a misunderstanding. It seems as if something got misplaced. You know, what the biggest problem about situations like this is because you have some persons out there who actually do this thing when we're shoplifting. And them kind of people are the problem. The ones who are do shoplifting, the ones who are got stores and thief things, and them are the problem. You see? Yeah, and them make things kind of so tight and people always depend on the alert because you have some dishonest people out there. See? Jano, I can only assume it's embarrassing because I'm in the situation. But if me in a situation like that, I think I'd be embarrassed. You see me? And I probably would have returned those things too. You see me? I said, I'm going to do so respectfully. And viewers and subscribers, I guess I'm going to leave it, you know? Here me I go leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. See? Yeah, I just presented to you a video that is about an incident where it is said that African descendant females had been accused of stealing from a store or shoplifting. However, a police officer tried to find out if it is true, and it turns out that they did not steal anything from the store. So they had been wrongfully accused. You see it? Yeah, and if you look at the video properly, you might get a good understanding as to what happened during that whole incident. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skiller!
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.